Okay, so in the past, only Adam's Built Tough's truck had
Who's Adam?
he's a figgot. Only Built Tough's truck had cool exhaust, but now actually my truck has some pretty cool exhaust, and this is Built Tough's first time to see it. Only a tip exhaust here.
Rambo sounds awesome. He's competing against Mean Green now. Ooh, I love the fumes. It's really strong when both of our trucks are running together. You want to go pop the hood and rev it?
On which one?
On Rambo. And Brooks, you can give it hell for the video.
Maybe a little bit shorter than my truck.
Yeah, just a hair. Hold up. Woo! God dang, I think Austin just got 5 degrees hotter. Then of course here, we got my truck here. You can be right there and I'll give it hell.
You're a bitch if you rev it inside the cab. You got to do a hood rev. Oh, come on. There you go. There you go. Water park tailpipe.
There you go.
We love our American trucks. Oh, we got a Rambo and Mean Green again.
We got some soot.
Yeah, we got a water park
But
tailpipe.
mine's been running for like 30 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, hey. Yeah. No, that's for weight reduction.
That's back.
Yeah. We got some factory weight reduction here. That's just to make it go faster.
I kid you not. The only rust of my truck, come over here. Of course, just frame surface rust, nothing.
Yeah, I have a lot of
You
that.
can sand that out. Like the only rust that
Took it
I've
mudding.
spotted is hardly any, and it's just in the fender, a hair. And I mean, it's just starting. Just starting.
I love how our idles. That's his idle. That's my idle.
Then you go to the tailpipe.
Then you go to the tailpipe and it sounds like Detroit diesels.
Man.
Mine sounds like a
Holy,
tractor.
Look at Rambo's
I know.
soot.
I know. Mine sounds like a tractor. And his sounds like a frickin' Peterbilt. Or a hot rod or something.
Something along that
Now, did this just have single exhaust when you got it, or was this dual?
It was here. Well, I don't even know if I've gone description of the video. It was.
I'm much taller than Adam, as you can tell.
About right where the Flowmaster 40 muffler is.
Yeah.
That's where it used to dump at. It was right there, and it was like it was dual right next to each other. And
Yeah.
I mean, it was a. Woo, we're.
Oh, hold on. No. Be quiet. Film.
Mean Green got a little dirty yesterday. You got any of the oil mix fuel?
We're gonna make some.
We're gonna make some real quick. All right, all right. We're doing this all in one take too, folks.
Yep.
About 70% oil, 30% fuel. Hopefully she can run off that. I'm sure it'll be just fine.
This lighter fluid actually lubricates your upper cylinder.
I was like, hold up, that's. Are we gonna light a match in there when we put it in the tank too?
No, you're gonna pour this down your gentleman's region.
All right, all right. We'll get the mower. We'll pop it right here. Blow coal on both of our trucks. Coal rolling Briggs and Stratton. We love this thing. She's dirty too. She's been mowing. Get our little mixer
Tinker
9000. Ooh, get some.
No, you pour it down the carburetor.
Oh, carburetor. Oh, we're going all the way then.
I don't want to contaminate the whole fuel tank. I don't want to have to drain it for a 4th time.
I mean, it's fine. We're both gonna
Mine
be.
sounds like a diesel. Yours smokes like a diesel. I don't understand it. Oh, we also got a new air filter.
Oh, nice. I just love how we're gonna probably be out of gas by the time we're done making this video.
And we're gonna need to buy a new mower.
Holy, that's more than Vice Grip floods this machine.
No, just I want the tailpipe to be facing.
Oh, there's some juice coming out.
Yeah, the blade is hitting something.
She's spitting out some soup.
The blade's hitting something.
Oh, just get that going a couple times. Yep, just fine. This is climate change in action right here, bro. We'll fix it. My truck and stop smoking.
I know. Watch mine not even be running.
All right, you work today, Briggs and Stratton. All right.
Somehow that's louder and smokes more than our trucks. I give up.
Oh my God, it's pulling the Flowmaster move.
No, it's still probably on fire in the combustion chamber.
I mean, you saw it.
I know, we both have the coronavirus.
No, I mean, I can handle mine. I can handle our exhaust, but this.
Oh my God.
The Honda Civic got smoked out again.
Sorry, Mr. Randy. I know you're a really good neighbor.
Here, let's kill my truck first, and then we'll kill Rambo.
What do you mean, do like an 8,000 RPM rev?
Oh, yeah. You can give it a couple more. Just. The garage, so many fumes.
Take a deep breath in there, Adam.
All right, look. I can handle my truck and Brooks's, that's fine. But this mower, good thing all vehicles don't run like this. Jesus Christ, we'd be all in a cloud of smoke in a day.
Thunberg 30, baby.
You know it.
You getting ready to head out?
Yeah, we're ready.
Give each other some, never mind.
All right. You want to break him loose first, Brooks?
No.
I'm not even sure what he's doing. He just told me to start filming.
How good does this take the curve? I'm sorry.
Oh. That was kind of half the curve. You might want to try again.
Work on it.
Try again, try again. All right. Yep, now you got the curve. Just drop the clutch and you're fine. just fine. When you park like a dick. Just...
And I'm sorry, how does Mean Green take curves? Hey, I love Mean Green. But I like my Ford.
Well, of course, of course. I love how we both, like, really hated my truck when I first got it. But now we love it.
Hey, what's the kid's name at school?
I don't know his name. All I know is that he drives a 5.4 and he can't back up for shit.
First try, 21-foot wheelbase.
I mean, you see what I...
Summa Kuma.
You see what I do, how I'm swerving in and out. And I do just fine back up first time, too.
We're the hood, we're the hood, we're the hood.
It's a little warm today. I think your locks will work.
No, they always do.
I mean, we really warmed it up today. I mean, you're going to see the forecast changing.
It's actually warmer.
It is. All right, well, let's end this video. I'll fly away, oh glory.
I'll fly away, oh glory. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. All right, I guess we're not done. He's going in for a second try. They got the autistic curve going on. You're good. Barely fits in the whole camera angle. I can't get over how much better this truck runs now. I mean, it's a different truck. I know what he's doing. Get some flex going on. Leave it running. Boop. Twin I-beams. Man, this thing looks so good now. Ooh, can he do it? Can he do it? Can he do it? That's all right. Ooh. Straight 6 power. You can go ahead and hit Mean Green.
I don't know which one would fare better.
I know.
I mean, I've got steel bumpers, but we don't need to worry about that.
This kid over here with the Ford F10. No, you're good. 2 times in a row, folks. He backed it in first try. Rambo just couldn't make the turn the first try.
Yeah, I just couldn't make the turning radius. I don't make fun of people for that. But the people who drive up on the curb and they're like, ah!
No.
They drive forward.
They're like, no, they get on top of the curb. They're thinking, well, should I move it?
Out.
They take the keys out. They kill it.
Penis out.
They lock
They walk
it.
inside, go to 5th period on an A day.
That means they're in Spanish. Yep.
No, I'm not referring to you. I'm referring. Oh, is he in your Spanish class?
No.
Okay.
I'm just joking.
I want to see that footage. Did it both wheels up on the curb on that side?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
All right, we're officially ending the video,
We're
folks.
officially leaving my house and going to Don's.
All right.
He said that he bought a Lego truck. We're going over to check out the Lego truck. Stay tuned for the next video because it'll probably be a different video. Sounds pretty good, don't it?
That's the first time I heard the horn too. It's working this time. You can go ahead and honk my horn.
My horn's right here. His horn's right there.
Yep. I love how we still haven't ended this video, and this third time we're starting to back up. When we
Actually, you know what? Let's not even go over to Don's. Let's
just hang out with our trucks.
Let's just stay here. It's 9:04. We should have been there by now. Let's see what Don said. Can you tell me when you get here? Get his number in there too. All right, I think we should actually start getting our crap together so we can.
Yeah, we're just gonna shoot the thumbnail, and we'll be on our way and start our next video.
Let me get Aunt